Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a get ready with me for date. First of all, I'm using Nivea Sunscreen. And then I'm using Garnier Anti wrinkle cream to moisturize my face. And then for the primer, I'm using Swiss Beauty primer and applying where I have pores. I am taking a little bit more to my chin area. And then I'm taking LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Natural. And then I'm taking a wet beauty sponge and applying onto my face directly. Then for concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Coverage concealer.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways,
and then मैं ये cream contour palette ले रही हूँ, which I ordered from Club Factory, and I'm using this dark brown shade to contour my whole face. Then I'm taking this Swiss Beauty Prime and Set Translucent Powder and जहाँ मैंने कंसीलर अप्लाई किया है मैं इसे वहीं अप्लाई कर रही हूँ ताकि मेरा कंसीलर क्रीज नहीं हो. And then I'm taking this fluffy brush to wipe off the excess. अब मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ एक स्पूली ब्रश. I'm taking this Miss Clear Eyebrow Pencil. एंड मैं बीच में से स्पूली ब्रश यूज़ कर रही हूँ ताकि एक जगह प्रोडक्ट इकट्ठा नहीं हो एंड वो पूरी आईब्रो पे अच्छे से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाए. एंड देन आई एम टेकिंग दिस Jacklyn Hill Morphe palette and I'm using this light brown shade and I'm applying to my crease area.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
And then I'm taking this dark brown shade and मैं इसे अपने outer V area पे लगा रही हूँ and अपनी crease के साथ इसे blend कर रही हूँ. And I'm taking this small brush and taking the same shade to my lower lash line.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
Now I'm taking this Swiss Beauty blush and highlight palette and मैं उसमें से ये dark pink shade लेके अपने outer V area पे apply कर रही हूँ. Then I'm taking the same shade to my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this purple shade and मैं इसे अपने inner eyelid area पे लगा रही हूँ. And then I'm mixing it with the pink shade I applied earlier so that कोई harsh line नहीं लगे.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
now I'm applying the same shade to my lower lash line. And here I've applied falsies. And I'm taking Swiss Beauty pen eyeliner and I'm using this to hide the band of my fake eyelashes. And then I'm taking this coral shade from the same palette, Swiss Beauty blush palette. And then I'm mixing these two shades to enhance the color. To line my lips, I'm using Swiss Beauty lip pencil. And then I'm taking Stay Quirky liquid lipstick in the shade Naughty Conversation Starter. एंड मैं थोड़ी फाउंडेशन अप्लाई कर रही हूँ अपने लिप्स पे इस कलर को थोड़ा लाइट करने के लिए. एंड देन आई एम जस्ट ब्लेंडिंग एवरीथिंग इन सो दैट ये बहुत नेचुरल लगे. एंड दिस इज द फाइनल लुक गाइज.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like the video, share this video and subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free. Bye bye.
I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.